how to make and create art book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page. Click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option. It will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down until you find the art book cover option. Click on see all, and as you can see you have many options. Choose any template you want, for example this one, and you can change the text right here as you can see. After you finish, go to the top and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.